Are you learning Japanese? Hi, I'm Clay from thejapanshop.com. Every week we deeply discount a single item. This is called Super Suyobi. This week we're doing something a little bit different. Become a supporter of ours on Patreon for $3 or more and receive a $5 gift card for anything at thejapanshop.com. That's right, you spend $3 and you get $5 back. We have many things at the Japan Shop that might interest learners of Japanese. Instant downloads, textbooks, t-shirts, and many other things. So consider supporting us on Patreon. But not only will you get a $5 gift card, but you'll also get our monthly Makoto e-zine, which is for beginners to intermediate students of Japanese. Improve your vocabulary, listening, and reading comprehension, and enjoy learning about Japanese culture. Click the link below to learn more. Thank you.